आदलो आर्सेनल आणि टॉटनहॅम हॉटस्पर आणि इंग्लंडाचो फुटबॉलर रिकेट्स आता डेम्पो स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक खेळटलो। 21 वर्सांच्या रिकेट्सान मंगळारा कबलातीचेर सही केली आणि सगळ्यो अटी मान्य केल्यो। तो बुधवारा इंग्लंडाक परत वतलो। इंग्लीश फुटबॉल संघटनेन सगळ्यो आवश्यक फॉर्मालिटी पुराय केल्या उपरांत तो गोंयांत येतलो। रिकेट्स आय लीगांत खेळपाक लागल्यार तातूंतल्यान आय लीगाचे लोकप्रियतेचे नजरेन मोठो आधार जातलो।
Here's Ricketts, goes for goal. Rowan Ricketts finds a way through. Oh, it's a fine goal.
गोयच्या डेम्पो स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान नाव केला ते पळोवन रॉन रिकेट्स गोंयान आयलो आनी ताणें डेम्पो बरोबर प्रशिक्षण कॅम्प केलो। डेम्पोचो कोच आर्मान कुलासो उपरांत अध्यक्ष श्रीनिवास देपेकूय रिकेट्साचो खेळ घोस्ताक गेलो। मंगळारा सकाळी ताणें डेम्पो क्लबा बरोबर आय लीग सर्ती खातीर कबलात केली। डेम्पोचो व्यवस्थापक किश्तोद आल्मेदान ही गजाल मान्य केली।
But he agreed to all this thing, whatever terms and conditions, he agreed that. And let's see what is going to happen.
He agreed for the amount also?
Yeah, everything is agreed. And in fact, he signed a contract also. But we have to wait for the TMS to be clear.
So Rohan, have you done the thing that everybody has been waiting for, sign on the dotted line?
Yeah, I've put pen to paper now, so I'm happy. I can get to business and get along with the football part. I still have to get my visa, but after that I can come back and get into training, get ready for the cup, which start middle of September.
So you're looking forward to it now, and you're hopeful that the visa and all the other TMS arrangements will go through?
Yeah, that'll be fine. That should maybe take, that can all be done. The visa could take maybe, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 days, maybe 2 days. The TMS stuff can be quick because it's coming from the English FA, so they work really well with those stuff. And I'm just happy I can just play football now, you know, because that's what I love doing, you know. It's something that I love doing as a kid, so I just want to continue doing that and start a new beginning with Dempo.
Any target on how many goals you score? I'm back to business. How many targets, how many goals you score this season?
I don't have targets like that. I just go work hard. I try to score goals, but as I said, if the team's winning, for me that's more important. So I will go out there, try to be the best I can be, score goals, create goals, and be a threat on the pitch, fit in with the team, and work hard to be in the team every game, adjust to the heat, and hope Dempo keep the league title. That's my main aim, is help the team keep the league title. So if we have another player who scores more than me, that's not my thing. I need the team to win.
खेळा खबराकार निखिल परेरा आणि चलचित्र खबराकार सुशांत पळ प्रुडंट मीडिया खातीर।
नव्या टेक्नॉलॉजीचो कॅमेरा आयलो की तो घेवपाची देवरुखकर बापूय पुतांक संवय। 1914 ते 2012 म्हळ्यार फाटल्या जवळ जवळ 100 वर्सांनी जितले म्हण तरेतरेचे टेक्नॉलॉजीचे कॅमेरे आयले ते चडशे तांणी एकठांय करून दवरल्यात। ह्या कॅमेऱ्याचे प्रदर्शन तांणी कला अकादमीत घाला। मंगळारा प्रदर्शनाचो निमाणो दीस। फाटलो 100 वर्सांचो कॅमेऱ्यांचो प्रवास ह्या प्रदर्शनात पळोवंक मेळटा। पळयात संजीवानी सर्वेश देवरुखकराचे कॅमेऱ्याचे कलेक्शन। तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसात जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराची तरंगात सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.